In this tutorial, we'll turn our microbit into a digital name tag. Go ahead and create a new project. Call it name tag. Now, for this program, we don't need an OnStart block, so I can delete it from my workspace by dragging it over the toolbox. Open the Basic Toolbox category and find the Show String block. Go ahead and drag and drop that into your Forever block. In the Show String block, go ahead and type your name. Notice that in the microbit simulator here, you should see your name scrolling across the screen over and over forever. When you're ready, go ahead and press the purple download button to download your program to the microbit. If you want to go further, try adding more showstring blocks to your Forever. Or try showing your name using the Show LED blocks.